Okay. So sometimes with this car can be problem like this. You start the engine, no problem. Stop the engine, driving. Airbag off. Okay. Driving, no problem. Driving, day. Okay, parking, wait. Start. Okay. Start, no problem. But once you start, it not started. Wow, not started. You wait. Okay, you close. Turn off the switch. Wait. What to do? Don't know what to do. And try after a few hours maybe. The same. Sometimes it start. And you can try to do this. Look at this. You can try to do this. Reverse, but gear it's working. Reverse. Reverse, E. First. Reverse, E. Reverse, E. And after that, it start. What is this? What is the miracle? How? What's wrong? No any trouble code. No any red gear. No neutral flashing. No, it just don't start. So I will show you what is. And my camera fall down. Look at this. The reason of this situation may be neutral sensor. Why? Because he give permission to start for TCM. If the TCM sees it is not in neutral, it will never start. And where is it? It's located this one. You see this one. This is the neutral sensor. It's the sensor with black connector and two wires. So what need to do? Need to replace it, need to remove it, need to clean it, need to do something. Try. If you will in situation like this, you can put bridge wire to the connector and it will start. But be careful that the car is on the neutral in real. And sometimes also this problem make if you do some repair, remove the gears actuator and this thing that make neutral, not exactly on the middle. It may be little or not on the middle and it not pushing the neutral sensor. Also this can be the reason. That's all. Yes.